ExpenseWatch empowers submitters to easily create, submit, and track expense reports. You begin a new expense report by clicking Submit an Expense Report from the Home tab. Or you can click to the Expense Report tab and start a report from here. You can also create and submit expense reports using ExpenseWatch Mobile, which we will discuss momentarily. Here, you name a report to start a new one, or you can select a report already in progress. As you can see, we start by integrating many of the data sources you use to capture expense information, such as credit card transactions and booked travel itineraries, and enable you to drag and drop these expenses to quickly build your report. Personal and corporate credit card data fill in the majority of the information required on a line item. Integrated booked travel itineraries provide supporting travel information and an ability to represent booked versus actual expenses for a given trip. Maps and locations automatically populate mileage reimbursements and record other trip details. Expense line items can be manually added to cover cash out-of-pocket items such as cash tips. Our mobile app gives you all the tools you will find in the online system to easily create and submit reports directly from your smartphone. Credit card feeds and booked travel itineraries can be used to populate expense reports, and cash lines for cash out-of-pocket items can easily be added to the report. Our mobile app includes a rapid-fire receipt capture that lets you easily capture and upload receipts to an ExpenseWatch receipt queue for use later, whether you're building expense reports with the mobile app or through logging into the online system. Additionally, if a user submits expense reports on your behalf, the delegate would have access to these receipts while creating your expense report. You can also attach receipts at the line item of a report using your smartphone. In the online app, receipts can be attached from your smartphone, or by fax, or scanning and browsing. When you use the online software, attachments can be made at the top of the expense report or on individual line items. Visual policy cues help you stay within company spending limits before you submit a report. Multi-currency options use current or historical conversion rates to match receipt date, depending upon how it is configured by your administrator. You can allocate expenses across multiple departments, GLs, or projects. You file one report, even if there are multiple reimbursements, such as corporate and personal cards or cash out of pocket. You can review your report by expense line item, category view, or print view. You can save and close a report and come back to it at a later time. You can easily check the status of approvals for previously submitted reports. As a submitter, you will appreciate all the tools available to you in ExpenseWatch that empower you to easily create and submit your expense reports.